calibration should take less than a minute. Just relax, stay still and breathe normally. And that's starting now. Done. Your Nest Hub is set up for sleep sensing.
We can make each night's sleep more restful and refreshing to improve our overall wellness and feel our best every day. Here's how Google Nest Hub with sleep sensing can help. Let's say that you, like so many of us, are having trouble falling asleep at
The mic's off. The mic's back on.
It's important to take the time to wind down and clear your mind before bed.
Shop Black Friday offers on
Nest Hub
googlestore.com.
can support your bedtime routine by helping you create a calming environment before you drift off to sleep. Set an alarm, dim the lights, and play relaxing sounds, all by tapping the screen or using your voice. Sleep can be a bit of a mystery. After a rough night in bed, you can't always tell why it was that you tossed and turned in the night. Sleep sensing on Nest Hub can give you a closer look by observing how you're sleeping and identifying areas you may want to improve on. And just as it helps you wind down at night, Nest Hub can gently and naturally wake you up in the morning with a sunrise alarm that gradually rouses you out of sleep with warm light and a curated set of peaceful sounds. Maybe you're not quite feeling the urge to hop out of bed. Just hit snooze or wave a hand. Once you're up, Nest Hub will greet you with a sleep summary that focuses on the schedule, duration, and quality of your rest, all of which are essential for a good night's sleep and can be addressed to improve your overall wellness. This summary can help you learn more about how your respiratory rate is trending and how your sleep may be affected by coughing, snoring, and elements in your environment like temperature and lighting. As time goes by, your Nest Hub will continue to learn about how you sleep and prepare personalized recommendations that can help you develop better sleeping habits. And as soon as you're ready to take on the day, you can have a quick look at what's ahead with traffic, weather, and news. Begin your journey to better sleep with Google Nest Hub and sleep sensing at your bedside.
Holy shit.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant, here to help you. Swipe up from the bottom.